How to descale. Ideal Barista Perfetto inbuilt grinder machine. When you see this kind of icon, that means your machine needs descaling. First, fill the water tank to the half. Use Ideal Descaling Powder to descale. Open it. Take 10 to 15 grams of powder and put it in the water tank. Then press these two buttons together. Small espresso and large espresso. The machine will now enter into descaling. Pull this lever to the back side for hot water and brew steam. The machine will start descaling. It will pause in between, and it will dispense the water from the steam, hot water, and brewing head. You can also put a pitcher to collect the wastewater. When it's done, the descaling icon will blink. Just pull the steam lever back to its place. Now, once it stops flickering, we have to start again when it shows the 1 number.